Fire damage restoration is tough. Soot, grease, and smoke residue can make cleanup a challenge. Most products are just one of a multiple step process to get the job done right. That's where Bioesque's heavy-duty cleaner and degreaser changes the game. This all-in-one concentrated solution cuts through the toughest grime fast. It's also an odor neutralizer. No more juggling multiple products, no more wasted hours, no more needing a chemistry degree just to clean a surface. Get powerful, effective cleaning in a single step. Safe for most surfaces including metal, it's completely biodegradable, non-toxic, non-flammable, and includes rust inhibitors. It has no solvents or butyls. Safe for your crew and your clients. Its advanced formula cleans without excessive scrubbing, so you can work smarter, not harder. Developed for restorers by restorers. When you choose Bioesque, you're not choosing a product, you're choosing a partner who understands restoration. We're on a mission to simplify restoration, making it faster and more profitable. Cut through the grime, cut down the work, and take back your time. Try Bioesque's heavy-duty cleaner and degreaser today and see the difference firsthand.